Hello there, welcome back to my channel. It has been such a long minute. I just wanted to say hi and let you guys know that I'm back for a while. Long while. First off, I graduated college, so I don't have to do school anymore if I don't want to. But I also have work now, and I'm still working on a book. I feel like Dylan is in trouble because I keep mentioning that. Does anybody watch Dylan is in Trouble? I love that channel so much. He's a cool YouTuber, hilarious, I want to read his book. But for YouTube, I've got some ideas of what I want to talk about with you guys. Also, Tears of the Kingdom just came out, so that's also going to determine whether or not I am talking to people or making content. You understand. If you're a Zelda fan, you understand. If you're not, you have no idea what I'm talking about. My brother is playing it right now. You might be able to hear him screaming about it. Okay, but anyways, first off, poetry. What? You guys love poetry? What? I love poetry too, and I thought it was weird, but people actually read it, and that's awesome. And of course they do. It's really awesome art, and it's really beautiful, and it's fun to just soak it in, right? And I really want to increase my viewership because my poetry video has done the best out of all of them, and if I can keep making that content for you guys, I really want to do that. And also, to increase my viewership, that would mean that I could get more views and start making money off of YouTube, which would be beautiful. I mean, if I make money on YouTube, it's not going to be much because I don't get, like, a lot of views. And, like, the way that my YouTube video is doing good is in, like, baby YouTuber standards, if you know what I mean. So, but it'd be cool to make a little bit and keep growing it. That would be great. But I also, why is this here? I also want to, like, make more content for you guys that actually you like, because that's the one apparently that you like the best and it's the most helpful for you. I don't know if you guys are taking like poetry classes or if you need help with poetry, if you're just really interested in it, if you want to make your own poetry, you want to publish it, you want to present it. Presenting it is so much fun. I actually got the opportunity to do that this past semester. It was so cool. As of right now, I still have like about 1,000 hours left to go, maybe more. Speaking of poetry, I do have a gig on Fiverr that I actually go and critique people's poetry, whether it's editing it or just giving some tips, bouncing off ideas. I have a gig on Fiverr for that because I've gotten so many comments from people who want to have their poetry critiqued, and it's really just starting at like $5. So if you want your poetry critiqued, or if you want to bounce off ideas, or just learn more about poetry in general, if you want a poem written, ghost written, then come on over to my Fiverr page and we can talk about it. It's literally right on my YouTube page. It'll be in little socials, or it'll be in the link in the description. And we will talk about your poetry. God, I just love poetry so much. I also want to make more Writing Mind videos because I love the Writing Mind. If you don't know what that is, it's where my inspiration, my procrastination, and my editing parts of my brain come together and have little conversations because they're annoying. But I love making them, and I don't get a lot of views, but I love making them because they're fun, and maybe I'll make it into a TikTok thing because I do get more views on TikTok. Because TikTok is the place to be. Unless they ban it, then I'll make it into like a YouTube Shorts thing. And I still want to talk about writing with you all. And I also want to use this platform to promote the books that I have coming out soon, and that they're like in the final stages of editing, so hopefully I'll get them self-published sometime. I have a couple of traditional publishers that I'm talking to, so we'll see what happens. I've never done this before, so once I get some experience out of the way, I'll be able to teach you guys about my experience, and hopefully it'll be helpful for you guys so you can publish your own books. But that is all for now, and I hope that you guys are still writing and that you're all having an amazing summer. Thank you for watching, and stay basic. Okay, bye.